So this is the final build of our Mark Rober Creative Engineering Project 2, electrical engineering section. As you can see, we've finished off our night sky silhouette scene. It's been a fun project to build. It's had a lot of complexities that we necessarily didn't expect. I'll step you through what we've built physically, and then Kyle will go in depth on the other areas, the electronic areas. So basically, we've got at the back, behind all of this, we've actually got a light box. That has got holes through in here behind a white adhesive film. When we enable the lighting within that, it actually will then create a star effect. We've got a few familiar constellations that you may spot in there. So we've got two, as I mentioned in the light box, we've got two LED strips that run all of that. One runs the left-hand side and the top, one runs the base and the right-hand side, then they meet up. And to basically just light up the entire area at the back. That's all painted white within that, just to try and get as much light bouncing around as we could to then come through these holes. We did try it without the adhesive film on it, but then we ended up with just black circles there, which just spoiled the other scenes, like the day scenes. So we were trying to minimise that. I stepped forward in front of the light box, and we've got two sets of LED strips, a top and a bottom, that actually light up the white to then give us the sky effect. We play around with that in various colours at different scenes that give us all of the different effects. Then we've got the two layers of the city. These are cut out of cardboard. These are buildings that are significant to us from different trips. So we've got those lit up with a strip in front of each of them. They are, again, all addressable LED strips. Each of these main strips on the front run 72 LEDs across, and each of the ones in the back run 103 LEDs each. So there's 206 LEDs to light up just to create the star effect, which is quite a lot of LEDs for what effect it gets, but it just wasn't really creating enough. We needed that sort of volume of light to try and give some effect. So I'll cross over now to Kai, and he can go through some of the app and the back of the electronics.
The code is separated into 6 different scenes. 4 of which are gold, 1 of which is white, which is like this, and another one which goes through the first 4 scenes. Each scene controls all the LEDs, and it changes the colours to create either sunrise, day, sunset, or night. It's all controlled by an app, which I'll go into more now. So the app is connected to a Bluetooth module, and when I hit a button, it will send a command over to the Arduino. The command tells the Arduino to light up the scene in different colours. So if I hit this button here, it'll light the scene up in a sunrise sort of thing.
So this is the back of the unit. You can see the Arduino tucked in there, the little Bluetooth connector up the top left with its powering and data and send and receive back down to the Arduino there. The Arduino is a bit excessive. We had a Mega here, so we just used that. We'll probably swap that out to a Uno when we get one back that we've lent to a friend. Excuse the wiring and the taping, it's a bit rough, but it does what it needs to do. So tucked in underneath, you can see there's a ledge that comes out. That's actually the back of the LED box for the stars. So that's running 2 separate LED strips. They both start down in this bottom corner. One's going across the bottom and up the right-hand side, up there, the right-hand side on our left. The other one's obviously coming up this side and across the top. Those strips are both 103 LEDs each, so there's 206 LEDs just to create the star effect. But it's well worth it from what we've seen. It's a pretty cool effect that's running through there.
This has been a fun project to work on. It's challenged us in ways we didn't expect, and we're looking forward to the next one.